In this TruIVS tutorial, we will be going over the Blob Tool. So we will head over and click Add New. Go to our Blob Tool, and we can see that region of interest. We have rectangle, circle, or polygon. We will choose rectangle. Number of blobs, 5 is default. The blob polarity can be either black or white blobs, and it explains it on the right hand side. We will choose black blobs for now. And now we must move our region of interest over the inspected part. Once we do that, we click Apply Changes. And now we can see we found 5 different blobs, the 4 small ones and the 1 big one in the middle. And now we want to get rid of that 1 big one in the middle and just find the 4 outer ones. So we can see in our area that the big difference is the area, and for this we can put limitations. So I will put 500 to 1000 max area and click Apply Changes. And now we can see that the big one in the middle is gone. However, now we have a fail because initially we put 5 blobs we needed to find, but now we can change that and bring it down to 4, click Apply Changes, and now we can see we have a good result.